Hello everyone. Welcome to Data Vital, the channel where we take care of your health with simple and direct information. Today, we bring you a topic that might surprise you. Did you know that the type of oil you use can affect your well-being? Let's discover together a ranking of the most used oils, from the worst to the best, and also learn how to use them intelligently to make the most out of them. Don't miss it. 5. Palm oil. Palm oil is one of the most used in the industry, but it is not the best option for health. It has a high content of saturated fats, which can raise bad cholesterol in the body and, over time, increase the risk of heart problems. Additionally, its production generates significant environmental issues, such as deforestation. Tip for use. If you decide to use it, do so in small amounts and look for products that specify they come from sustainable sources. It is suitable for frying due to its stability at high temperatures, but remember, there are healthier options. Interesting fact. Palm oil is hidden in many processed products like cookies and fried foods. Check the labels before buying. 4. Butter. Butter is a classic in many kitchens due to its flavor and versatility, but its high content of saturated fats makes it an option that we should consume in moderation. These fats can raise bad cholesterol and increase the risk of heart diseases if consumed in excess. However, it also contains vitamin A and antioxidants that are beneficial for health in small amounts. Tip for use. Butter is excellent for cooking at medium heat, such as sautéing vegetables or in baking recipes. If you prefer a healthier option, you can use clarified butter, ghee, which is more stable at high temperatures and removes some impurities. Interesting fact. Despite its bad reputation, recent studies indicate that consuming butter in small amounts can be part of a healthy diet, as long as we do not exceed its use. If you've made it this far and are enjoying the content, we would love for you to subscribe. We are a small channel working hard to grow, and every subscription helps us immensely. If you're interested in health and nutrition, you'll be more than welcome in our community. Now, let's continue with the remaining oils. The best is yet to come. 3. Sunflower oil. Sunflower oil is very popular in cooking due to its affordable price and neutral flavor. It is rich in polyunsaturated fats, mainly omega-6, which can be beneficial in small amounts. However, if consumed in excess and without balancing with omega-3, it can contribute to chronic inflammation in the body. Tip for use. Sunflower oil is excellent for frying thanks to its high smoke point, but it is also an ideal option for baking, as its neutral flavor does not interfere with the main ingredients. If you use it in moderation and combine it with foods rich in omega-3, you can maintain a good balance of fats in your diet. Interesting fact. Sunflower oil was first cultivated by Native Americans, who primarily used it for its medicinal properties before it became a staple ingredient in modern cooking. 2. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a recent favorite in healthy kitchens and the wellness world, but its use dates back thousands of years in tropical regions such as Southeast Asia and the Pacific Islands. What makes it special is its unique fat profile. Despite being rich in saturated fats, these are medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, a type of fat that the body uses differently than other saturated fats. Instead of being stored, MCTs are quickly metabolized and converted into immediate energy, making it popular among those looking to lose weight or increase their physical energy. However, it still remains a saturated fat, which means that excessive consumption could have negative effects on cholesterol levels, especially in sensitive individuals or those with already elevated levels. Benefits of coconut oil. Quick energy. Medium-chain triglycerides are absorbed directly by the liver, providing a quick source of energy and can help speed up metabolism. Antimicrobial effects. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, a compound that has antimicrobial and antifungal properties, making it useful both in cooking and in skin and hair care. Ideal for low-carbohydrate diets, it is especially popular in the keto diet, where fats are the primary source of energy. Tip for use. Coconut oil is perfect for cooking at medium heat and for baking, as it adds a sweet and mild touch to recipes. It is also ideal in exotic dishes or in smoothies to give an extra energy boost. If you follow a vegan diet, you can use it as a substitute for butter in many recipes. Interesting fact. Despite its recent popularity, coconut oil has been used in tropical regions for centuries, not only in cooking but also as part of skin and hair care, due to its moisturizing properties. 1. Extra virgin olive oil. And we arrive at number 1 in our ranking, extra virgin olive oil, the king of healthy oils. This oil is famous in the Mediterranean diet for its countless health benefits. What makes it special is its high content of monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which helps reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL, thereby protecting your heart. Furthermore, extra virgin olive oil is rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin E and polyphenol, which have anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including cardiovascular diseases and cancer. Benefits of extra virgin olive oil. Cardiovascular protection. Its high content of healthy fats and antioxidants makes it one of the best allies for heart health. Anti-inflammatory properties. The polyphenol present in olive oil help combat inflammation, which can reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Versatility in the kitchen. In addition to being healthy, it is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Tip for use. Extra virgin olive oil is ideal for use raw, in salads, dressings, and cold dishes to maximize its benefits. Although it can also be used for cooking at medium heat, for frying or high-temperature cooking, it is preferable to use refined olive oil. Interesting fact. Extra virgin olive oil is not only good for health, but it has also been used in religious rituals and ceremonies since ancient Greece, where it was considered a gift from the gods.